Could you really benefit from the same powerful and ancient Japanese tonic that keeps thousands of happy men and women from the island of Okinawa slim, toned, young, and full of energy? Yes, you can, because the secret powerful Japanese formula is finally available in the USA. Introducing the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, the most potent, youth-enhancing blend of unique metabolic superfoods taken daily by the inhabitants of the tiny, remote Japanese island of Okinawa to burn off unlimited amounts of troublesome, unwanted fat, increase energy levels, and enjoy optimal health. And all you need to do is simply mix 1 scoop of these powerful metabolic nutrients with water daily to burn away your most stubborn fat, support healthy digestion, increase natural energy levels, and feel great again all day long.
I don't feel hungry for carbs anymore like I used to every afternoon. I feel full of energy when I wake up in the morning. Just being able to wear my favorite jeans again after so many years feels wonderful.
Now, for the first time ever, you too can take the very same formula as the long-living inhabitants of the tiny Japanese island of Okinawa to enjoy a slim, toned, and attractive body for years to come. Live a long, happy life free of worries about health. Experience pleasurable waves of new, natural energy. The unique metabolic blend inside the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports a faster metabolism, burns away excess fat and calories at an astonishing rate, maintains healthy digestion, and increases reserves of natural energy. All by drinking a single cup each day, you can now benefit from the same age-defying effects as the youthful Okinawan Islanders have done for centuries. Simply mix the Okinawa tonic powder with water each morning and enjoy the lightning-fast metabolism, healthy digestion, and soaring energy levels that the healthy Japanese Islanders do.
When I started taking this new tonic formula in the mornings, I noticed the changes started happening after like 3 days. My junk food cravings went away like that. I had lots of new energy, and the weight just started dropping off of me real fast.
The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is perfectly safe to take, tastes delicious, contains natural ingredients, and is made in an FDA-approved and GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, facility where regular checks and tests are carried out for potency and quality. I'm so confident you'll enjoy life-changing results that I'm prepared to back up the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic with a 100% satisfaction guarantee for the next 3 months. Your order is fully secure, encrypted, and safe, and it's covered by a rock-solid 90-day guarantee. If at any point during the next 3 months following your order, you are less than satisfied with your results, contact us through this, and we will refund your order. When you click below to start your order, our friendly warehouse team will pack it and ship it as a priority to your doorstep. Just imagine, you can start enjoying the benefits of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic as soon as you receive it at your home in a few short days. You should notice your energy, digestion, and metabolism improving from the very first time you take it. This is the first sign it's working. You might notice increased clarity and more positive feelings about yourself, and you'll start to find it almost effortless to control your cravings. This will make your weight loss journey a lot easier and more enjoyable. And in a few short weeks from now, imagine how great it'll feel as you notice your reflection in the mirror and see a new, toned, slim, and attractive body. You can feel so much more confident in your skin as you lose a few dress sizes or fit into those tight jeans you've been missing for so long. Imagine how great you'll feel to get compliments, looks of astonishment, and even envy at your new, slender form. Just think how much this new confidence and attractiveness could help in your personal relationships, your work, your love life, and your happiness. All you need to do to start enjoying these amazing benefits in a few days from now is click below to get started. What's more, along with the powerful metabolism-enhancing nutrients, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains a healthy dose of powerful superfood nutrients you need to set you up for the day.
It's helped my marriage enormously, and my husband is delighted to get the happy me back again. But the best part is feeling so confident. Just getting compliments from other people, being able to go to the beach or swim at the pool without feeling self-conscious about how I look.
I feel full of energy and much better about myself. I don't get out of breath anymore. I don't have to worry what people think of me because I feel good about my body. Last month, I went clothes shopping and bought a whole new closet for myself. That made me so happy.
As the potent superfoods from Mother Nature work their way through your body, you'll feel the pleasurable new waves of energy, clarity, and focus that help you deal with the challenges that can come your way on any busy day. And now, for a limited time only, you can stock up on the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for super low, massively discounted prices. To take advantage of this unique promotion while you still can and do the right thing for your health, well-being, and your family, simply click below now.